I got this itel smartwatch Storm Ultra. I want you to join me while I do the unboxing and also show you how you can do setup as a first time user. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So when you get the itel smartwatch brand new, it comes on a box like this. You can see the box, right? You can see here smartwatch Storm Ultra. You can see IP68 waterproof, 2.2 HD display screen. You can see here tested scratch proof crystal screen. If I turn the back, so this watch model, you can also call it ISW023 smartwatch Storm Ultra. You can see. Now let's go on the unboxing proper. To unbox the watch, hold right here and pull it, or hold right here and pull it this way. Open this ones. You can see, then bring this one out. So it comes on a carton like this. You can see, right? Then first of all, bring this out. You can see, you can bring this out. And right here is the watch inside. The screen is sealed with a nylon. You can see. So this watch, here's the charger. Look at it. So right here is the warranty card. Here's QR code where you can scan with your phone and download the app to bind the watch with your phone. And behind here is where you can put your information on this warranty card. And right here is the manual guide where you can go and see how to set up the watch as a beginner. Empty. So you can see the body of the watch is made of metal. I can actually remove this sealing. You can see it's made of metal. You can see, right? So right here is the watch speaker. And this button here, you can call it smart crown, is the power button where you can press and on the watch. And this strap here is a silicone strap, and this watch here comes with only one strap. So now let's go into the setup process as a beginner. How do you set up or connect the watch to your phone? It's very simple. So for this watch, now to set up, first of all, come here and press here and hold it like 5 seconds and turn on the watch. It vibrates and begin to turn on. If it turns on, you see here language. You can scroll down and choose your language. I'm using English. I can tap right there and select English, and you'll get this QR code. So you can bring your phone scanner. You can bring your phone scanner, then just come here and scan the QR code here, and it will take you to Play Store or App Stores where you can download and install the app that you can use to bind this watch. And for this watch here, you can see here from the carton right here, for this watch here, the app to use is also iPulse. You can see, right? iPulse. You can find the app on Play Store or App Stores. So if you don't have a scanner, just press and hold it and skip this. It will skip this and you go to your home screen, like to your watch home screen. You can see, right? So you can operate it, bring this down and bring this down. You can see that right now the time will not be set until when you actually connect the watch to your phone. Before the time we set. And how do you do this? So just go to your Play Store or App Stores and install this app here. You can see here iPulse. I have the app. If you install it for the first time, just tap and open the app. You can see the watch. If you open the app, you can see here welcome. Tap on this welcome here. Tap on this agree right here. Swipe this way. Swipe this way. You can skip if you wish. Then tap on this try now. So on this you can see here personal info. You can see gender. You can come here and choose your gender or tap on male. You can set the birth, but for now I will skip it. You can see on this height, you can go this way and choose your height and your weight. So go this way and choose your height and weight. So tap on this confirmation. Tap on this got it. You can see here allow iPulse to access your physical activity. Tap on this allow. And right now you come to the app home page. You will have to create an account with them. Now how do you do it? You can see this watch icon right here. Just tap on it. You can see here add. Tap on this add. You can see here login. Tap on this login and it will take you into the page to create an account with them. You can see, right? You can see here you will put your email or phone number and also put this captcha code, these numbers exactly here. You can see them. You type them exactly here. You can tap on this get code. They will send code to your email, which you go to your email and get the code and enter here and tap on this login stroke register. Then you will log in. So let's start with the email first of all. Let me set my camera where. So I'll come right here and enter my email address right here. If I enter my email address, I'll come on this captcha here and put this code here exactly right here. If I enter this captcha here, you can see I'll come here and tap on this agree to the terms of policy. Then I'll tap on this get code. You can see it's loading. You can see sent. So right now they have sent code to my email address right here. I'll go to my email address and get the code and come and put right here and tap on login. So if I get the code, I'll come here and put the code right here. If I put the code, I'll tap on this login stroke register. You can see that right now I've logged in or I've created an account with the iPOS app. So on this pop-up here, I'll tap on this allow only while using the app. You can see that on Bluetooth. You can see here, please turn on Bluetooth. Tap on this open to turn on a Bluetooth. You can see that's turned on, and once it turns on, the app will search and find your watch. You can see it has found my watch, itel ISW023. You can see, right? Now how do I connect? To connect, come and tap on this plus icon right here. It shows error. Tap again to try. You can see I'll get confirm binding on the watch. I'll tap on this good icon right here. And you can see that right now I'll be able to set up and connect the watch to my phone. You can see pairing request. I've paired already. I can close this right here. So right now I can also do or control the watch from my phone. I can change the home screen. I can tap here and change it to however I want it. You can see, right? You can customize several setup and all that. So you can see that is it. And once you connect the watch to your phone, the time on the watch will just set up automatically. You can see that is it. So guys, thanks for watching and bye.